was over, he would visit his wife Hazrat Khadija, may Allah be pleased with her, and take some tosha with her. And then go there and go into seclusion. He was staying when suddenly Hazrat Jibreel, peace be upon him, came to him and said, O Muhammad, read, Prophet.Pbuh say that I said that I do not know how to read. Prophet.Pbuh said that the angel caught me and hit me so hard that my strength gave way, then he left me and said, read. I gave the same answer again. I am not educated. This angel hit me so hard that I felt severe pain, then he said read. I said that I am not educated. The angel caught hold of me a third time and struck me a third time and then released me and said, recite with the help of the name of your Lord who created man from a drop of blood, recite and your Lord is he is a benefactor. So after hearing these verses from Hazrat Jibreel, peace be upon him, he returned from the cave of Hira in such a state that his heart was trembling from this strange event. He came to Hazrat Khadija, may Allah be pleased with her, and said, cover me with a blanket, cover me with a blanket. She covered you with a blanket when you were afraid. So he narrated this incident in detail to his wife Hazrat Khadija, R.A., and started saying that now I am afraid for my life. His wife Hazrat Khadija, Radiyallahu Anha, tied his dars and said that, swear to God, Allah will never disgrace you, you are the owner of good morals, you are a family man, you take the burden of the poor on your head, you earn for the poor, you are unparalleled in hospitality in difficult times. I support you Imr Haq. A person with such good qualities cannot die in such an untimely disgrace. Then, for further comfort, Hazrat Khadija, R.A., took him, Pbuh, to Waraqa bin Nawfal, who was her cousin and had converted to Christianity during the Jahiliyyah period and was a scribe of the Hebrew language, so the Bible was also according to they used to write God's sources in Hebrew language. The Gospel was revealed in the Syriac language, then it was translated into the Hebrew language. Waraqah used to write it, he was very old, even his sight had left. Hazrat Khadija, R.A., explained his situation in front of him and said, O cousin, listen to the condition of your nephew, Muhammad, in his words. So, he narrated the entire incident from the beginning to the end, after hearing which Waraqah got up and said that this is the same Namuz, respectable secret-knowing angel, whom Allah had sent with revelation to Hazrat Musa, peace be upon him. I wish I was young at the beginning of your prophethood. I wish I could live until your people drive you out of this city. Hearing this, the Holy Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, asked in surprise whether those people would expel me. Although I am honest, trustworthy, and popular among them, Waraqah said yes, all this is true. But whoever brought immortal truth like you, people have become his enemies. If I get that time of your prophethood, I will help you fully. But Waraqah died after a few days. Then the revelation was stopped for some time.